Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to say that I am back making slimes and I am so excited. I'm easing my way back into it, but I am going to be selling on Etsy instead of my previous shop. I just think that's just the most easiest and most convenient way right now, but eventually I do hope to go back to my original website. This is going to be a super small launch, but I'm going to slowly make more and more over time. But if you guys know, cucumber melon, super thick and glossy slime scented just like cucumber melon. It is very stretchy, very fun to play with, and very glossy. Next up is acai bowl, however you want to say it. This one smells like berries and cream. It smells so good. It's a butter slime and also comes with these little fruit cane slices in a little mini spoon. That's so cute. And also, it is an inflatable slime, so the more you play with it, the fluffier it gets. And it's super sizzly just from the start, and the bubble pops are amazing. And the third and last slime is watermelon cotton candy. This one smells like watermelons, so good. It's an icy slime and comes with little watermelon fimo slices on top. This one is also self-inflating, and the more you play with it, the lighter pink it gets. But once you let it settle down, it'll go back to its original color. So those are all the slimes that I have listed on my Etsy shop. I will link it down below and it's also on the screen right now. So feel free to check it out. Please support me. I would really appreciate it. And I will also link my Instagram down below and TikTok. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.